Hello guys, what's up? What are you doing and how are you doing? Welcome to Ticket Crazy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Google reCAPTCHA Ultimate Member plugin. So what it will basically do is it will stop bots on your registration and login forms. That means it will not encourage the spam users. Generally, some people will use the bots to register on your website to make some spam users. So this will completely stop that one. And it is very easy to set up and it is provided by Ultimate Member plugin. That means you have to install Ultimate Member plugin earlier to this plugin. You can enable Google reCAPTCHA on your register form and login form and also password reset form. You can simply turn off and turn on at any time on any specific forms. So it is so simple. It integrates seamlessly with your registration or login forms, and it is available on WordPress.org. So let us go to our website and install this one and activate this plugin, and we will get that features on our website. So let me go to ticketcrazy.com and I am opening admin dashboard. If you see here, all login and registration page is available. I am login with the username and password. I have made few videos on Ultimate Member plugin. If you want to see those videos, I will provide those links in the description. Please go and watch the tutorials. So I have made few tutorials on Ultimate Member plugin. So I already installed Ultimate Member plugin. So now I need to install Google reCAPTCHA, which is provided by Ultimate Member plugin. So let us go to plugins, add new. And let me type Ultimate Member plugin. Let's say Ultimate Member. It will show the plugins which are made by Ultimate Member. So if you see this Ultimate Member plugin is already installed, now I am going to install reCAPTCHA. I am installing now. So once it is installed, we need to activate that. Yeah, it is installed now and I am activating this. Yeah, now it is activated. Let me go to the Ultimate Member settings. So we need to click on settings in the Ultimate Member tab. Once I click on that, there is one tab called extension. Please click on that. And there will be Google reCAPTCHA. Click on that. Now we need to go to the admin console to get the site key and secret key. So we need to go to Google admin console. So just type Google admin console Google reCAPTCHA. Now you will get the results. So the first one is reCAPTCHA admin, right? So click on that. You need to give your Google account details. So I have already given that. And here you need to give the label and the site names. Now I am giving the Ticket Crazy. So there are like two versions of reCAPTCHA. One is automatically the JSON will provide the reCAPTCHA verification to the website, that is reCAPTCHA version 3. Let's say if any human interaction you need, like images, whatever the user heard via audio, he needs to enter the data, those kind of reCAPTCHA. If you want, you need to select reCAPTCHA version 2. Now I am going to select reCAPTCHA version 2 and I am selecting this option. I am not a robo checkbox. And I am giving the domain name. And I am giving my email ID. you need to add any more email IDs, you can add that by just clicking this icon, and you need to accept the terms of services and then submit. So once you submit, you will get the site key and secret key. Just copy that site key and paste here, and you have created version 2, right? Just select that version 2. You have created version 2. So, and you need to copy the secret key and just paste it here. So this is like turning and turning off the Google reCAPTCHA. So enable this one. reCAPTCHA type, we have selected version 2. Site key we have entered. Secret key we have entered. Type, whether you need to give image or else audio, you can just decide that and you can give it. So for this website, I'm just selecting image, and the language I have selected as English. Theme is light or dark. Let me select dark. Size is normal, and I am enabling this Google reCAPTCHA and password reset form as well, and just save these details. Now it got saved. Let me go to my website in incognito mode. Yeah, it got opened. Now let me click on this register. Now see, the Google reCAPTCHA is enabled on my website. So let me create one user. Let me give the username, first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm password. And I can just click on this I am not robo. So once I click on that, it will ask the images with crosswords. I'm just selecting those. I think I did not use anything. Yeah, verify. Now it is clicking on I am not robo. So it's very simple by this plugin. So you don't need to worry about any coding, nothing like that. You just need to set up that in our admin dashboard. So I'm going to register now. Now it is accepting my registration. Yes, it's done. So very simple. No need to do any coding. It's just a simple setup. You just need to install the reCAPTCHA plugin. That's it. So I am logging out. So I will try to log in. So then also it will ask the Google reCAPTCHA. So when I click on this login, so I'm giving the email address, password. I'm just clicking on I am not robo. Perfect. It is asking to fill this images. I'm just verifying this. So I have given some wrong information. So let me give another information. I think I have given. Again, it's wrong. Yes. Now it's done. Now I'm successfully able to log in. Yes, I am able to log in successfully by using my credentials and the Google reCAPTCHA. That's it, guys. And this is available on reset password form as well. I will show that one quickly. So just click on this login. There you can find one link called forget your password. Just click on that. There you can find this Google reCAPTCHA, and just click on I am not robot. Then you will get these images to be filled. If you need audio, then you click on audio. That's it, you'll get audio. So you just need to press play and enter the words what you hear. That's it. So it's a very simple by using this plugin. If your website needs this one, you can just install the reCAPTCHA plugin and activate that. So this will be supported with the Ultimate Member plugin. I have already done few videos on Ultimate Member plugin, how to install and how to activate and how to configure the Ultimate Member plugin for your website. So I will give those links in the description. Please go and watch the tutorials on Ultimate Member plugin. You will definitely like those videos. If you like this video, please like this, share this and comment. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, comment this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more interesting updates.